In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to search and save listings on GTAforsalehomes.com. You can search by neighborhood, by city, by address. So if you are interested in neighborhood, type in the name and the search field will find it and then show you the map and listings on that area. So this is a highlighted map. Here you can select the price range. You can type in any price from lower to higher limit right here. And move forward to the property type. Select your property type, and then if you want to see the sold, check mark the sold listings as well. Here you can set up number of beds, number of bathrooms, how old the listing should be on MLS, again what type of house you are looking for. You can also add some keywords here like basement, apartment, pool, whatever you want. And now you will see it returns 5 properties. If you select sold here, it will show you any sold listing within the last 14 days. Here, click on Save My Search. After you save your search, it will keep sending you listings from this saved search. You will receive sold listings as well as listings that are on the market under 14 days. You can change any criteria by going back to your account and editing your search. I hope this helps. Happy browsing. Thank you.